morning, everybody on Facebook and YouTube and Easy Webinar. We are hosting a special right now, $50 for a lifetime membership. That comes with text alerts as well as the live stream. And sometimes we do webinars, as well as today, Tony Hedges might be coming with us, you know, trading with us over the phone. So that would be good. I'm looking forward to that. I'm hoping he can do it. I'm just waiting for a response. Yeah, he's gonna come on. He said he'll come on. Uh, okay, cool. So we'll call him in a minute. So, just want to run a quick pre-market scan, real quick, real quick. I am live there, right? And I am live there. And all right, so there's a website called Market Chameleon. It's actually really useful for finding good stocks to trade in the morning, advanced stocks. So I'm basically going to go to the most active, the most advanced section, and of that. So when you see me pulling stocks out of the blue, I'm pulling them off of Market Chameleon. All right, because I want to get everything on one screen and do this as fast as I can, and I realize sometimes I try to go from this to this to this, and it just takes too long. So let me get the. I need one more up. Okay, that's up. Yeah, okay. This can go over here. And okay, Roku, definitely something we're gonna watch today. I'm really pissed off because I had sold all my Roku at around 151. It went to like 150, and I was planning on buying some more before the close because I know this is going to 155. If it breaks 55, I'd be surprised. Um, Actually, it looks like the support's at 157 now. That's right. It's a horizontal support. So if it breaks 157, I'd be surprised. By the middle of the day, that'll be about 158. So 158 is our target. We're at 153 right now. I do plan on trading Roku today. Just a heads up. But let's look for something else. Let's look for something better. I am still holding HQY from yesterday. Um, I am down about let's see, $90 on that. That's an easy comeback though if that comes back. Just gotta pop up. That's it. Or I could buy it at this level. I should add at this level. Um, but it's got to complete the range. It's got to give me some kind of sign that it's gonna complete the range today because it kind of just tanked last night. So maybe not add to a losing trade in the situation. All right, let's do the small cap pre-market scan first. That should take only a few seconds because I already looked and there's not much. You got this AUPH. I'm gonna add all that here, so it'll all be AUP AUPH. In terms of, let's look at where it's at on the chart. Okay, it's up 100%. It's technically above that $12 range, but not by far, not by a lot. It's downtrending below the VWAP. Yes, below the VWAP all morning. Could be a dead cat bounce situation, and that could skyrocket. It is got 2.15 million in volume. Not enough. It needs to have 5 million in volume because it's got a 50 million share float. The next one is much more interesting to me. You got a 3 million share float and 3 millions of volume, and oh yeah, this is beautiful. This has got that bull flag situation already built into it. BNGO, you got okay. This might be a perfect five finger strategy candidate. Um, Although I did see something from the Biotech Pulse on here. The Biotech Pulse is no good because they intentionally pump stocks, and I forgot like who they work with, but somebody told me this that they were. I think it's like Benzinga or someone like or like Market Watch, and they work with like Market Watch or someone to pump up stocks. BNGO. I think this name sounds familiar, so I have the feeling that this did this recently. Yeah, this did this about 2 months ago. Shot up. Ooh, nice. $4. All right, so we got some range on this. This is not something to ignore. Let me go back. Maximize sell. Let's go 1 day, 1 minute. Yeah, nice bull flag situation. Uh, All right, let's look into it a little more. It's still above $1. Um, okay. Can I show that? Yes, I can. All right. BNGO. All right. So 50 cents to 260. It's got some nice range. It's got some very nice range. Let me maximize sell real quick. 260 potential. Create alert. That's quite a move. And we're going to complete the five finger strategy. 260, 337, create alert. So these are all potential points that this could reach today. Now, I want to know why it's up, obviously. That's important. Benzinga's top 5 stocks to watch. Okay, so it's definitely an advanced stock to replace all, okay, some kind of leukemia presents AS2000 demonstrate by Bionos. I don't understand what it says, but Bionos launches DNA installation kit for bone marrow asperities. I don't know what that means, but it sounds good. This might be the breakthrough that BNGO was waiting for. Um, to bring them into $1 million company, maybe to $1 billion company. All right, so what's a good entry? We have to find the entries. Good entry on this is 50 cents. So that's out of the question. Another good entry, maybe, just maybe, 138. It's a good entry. 107, even better. Uh, We're right in the middle of that right now. 137 is above the 52 above the pre-market highs. I have a serious. Let me just check one more thing. Let's see if it's on the most advanced list on Stock Chameleon. market chameleon rather. It is not. Anything could happen to this one. Anything. I'm thinking a pull back to $1 maybe. This is very tough. Don't really know what to do with this one. Kind of flat lines here. Volume kind of slowed down. But this is definitely one of my favorites right now. It wasn't before. I looked at this before and it was not one of my favorites. All right. DLTH is 15%. It's got a nice little bull flag. Really, what do they call those things that the Grim Reaper carries? Looks like that almost. Um, which someone told me is technically not a bull flag. Secure Works, Alpha Pharmaceutical. Secure Works got no volume. CC, common name. This one comes up a lot. Very strong uptrend. I like this one a lot. I really, really, really do. More than BNGO. I like CC. See? See? Up on earnings. Couldn't make me any happier. We hit 48.50. We're about to break the pre-market highs. Let's take a look closer. It is on the most advanced list, right near the top. Yeah. Yeah. This is a nice one right here. CC. CC. And AUPH. AUPH just popped out of nowhere. This is amazing. These are all small caps. I love it. Love it. All right, so C, and this is my watch list right now. I got AUPH, BNGO, CC, CC twice, DLTH. We'll take a closer look, and AUPH we're watching, and Five Below is another one I would like to watch. But let me put that one down here. Five, five. Roku 5. Okay, so Roku's gonna move 5 points today. That's what that's saying. Um, hmm. Let's take a look at AUPH before we look at CC. Let's take a quick look at AUPH before we look at CC. Maybe it's pulling back to necessary level. 810, man. It seems like it's at its peak there. Yeah, 810 seems to be kind of like a peak there. So that's where you want to watch is 810 on this one here on CC. Yeah, it's way above that. It's highly overextended. Let's take a look at it over here. Uh, AUPH. Okay, 899 is the R1. And, oh yeah, I keep forgetting we're at 16. Uh, this one is very overextended. Very overextended. Um, I mean, it's not worth a buy unless it pulls back to $10. Seriously. If this hits $10, if this hits 10 beans, this is a buy, buy, buy. Okay, like this is a golden buy right here. So I'm gonna put a little alert at 10.50 because if this hits 10, you're golden. You buy right there. But it's too overextended now. Uh, Let me just see one more thing. AUPH. Yeah, way overextended this one. CC, which I still didn't look at yet, and we still got to call Tony, so I got to make sure I give him an appropriate amount of time. All right, so we got a peak on CC is at 375. It's already at $5. Why is everybody clapping? The market's not opening. This is very overextended as well. All right, all right, all right, all right. Santa Claus is walking through the New York Stock Exchange. Yeah, because he definitely thinks those Wall Street guys are nice on the nice list. SEC, CC. Okay, 428 is the top of the pivot. CC currently sits at 430. This might be a good entry for CC. It's touching the VWAP right before the open. Let me think here for a second. BNGO looked good because it was the only one that let me see. BNGO was the only one that was not overextended. Yeah, and it had room to grow. BNGO. I like CC and BNGO. I don't like so much alpha unless it goes AUPH unless it goes down to 1010. But let me call Tone right now. Get his perspective because I'm sure he's looking at similar stocks. 180 on the BNGO. I mean, it just seems so much more practical. BNGO than CC. AURA. Let me look at and put a BNGO in here. Wow. Yeah, this has got some prowess, this BNGO. It can move. All right, let me call Tone. So we know what we're looking at today. While he's speaking, I'm gonna send some text alerts out, and I'll add any stocks that he's looking at to the bottom here. Although again, I think this is a perfect entry right here. I don't know. I don't know. All right, let me. I know that these start to take off. The ones that are gonna take off start to take off now. All right, let's take a shot with CC. Maybe not. Let me call Tone. Let me call Tone. Let me call Tone. You're only gonna be able to hear Tony if you're listening in on the YouTube.
Hello.
That definitely didn't sound like Tony, but it definitely is his number. And if it is Tony, I know he just got back surgery. So I hope he's not all, you know. That is his number. That did not sound like him.
Hello.
Hey, Tone,
How you doing, Luke?
how's it going? You are live right now on YouTube
Okay.
and all that.
So, I gave you some picks because I had back surgery, and I want to know like if the group did good on them. I know there's a lot of great picks out there. Today I like this ACAD. And hold on one second. Oh. I like this AACD at 5080 bid.
What's the bid?
I think
You gotta
about
talk up
50,
a little bit because I
about
could barely
50,
hear you.
ACAD about 5050 to 5080 the bids.
50-50 to 50-80.
Yeah. Hold on one second. Let me just look at this chart over here. One second. Hold on one second. Yeah, I like it about 5050 to 5080 on ACAD. Um, my favorite one is VRNT 5050 bids.
What is it?
5150 bids. V,
VRNT.
yeah. Victor, Robert, Nancy, Tom. 5150 bid. If it goes to 5050, load them up. VRNT.
Okay.
Um, okay, we have a little tricky on this one here. On this ACAD, it's going to be a little bit tricky. ACAD. Okay, meaning if this stock goes to, let's put a 46, $47 bid on
A
it. ACAD.
$47 bid
If
on
it goes to
AC.
if it goes to 5050, you can actually buy more at 47. It's two entry prices on this one. If it goes to 5050, you load them up to 47. The stock should bounce back to 52, 53. You'll still make a lot
So
of
you're
money.
saying at 50-50 it's still gonna go down to 47?
It can still get to 47. There's two opening bids on that. I
Okay.
will put my first bid at 5050, and then my second one at like $47. I think it can have a huge turnaround. I think it will go right back up to the channel, and you'll still make money on it. VRNT 5050, 5150. It's both prices, also both entries. I will look to get in on that one.
Okay. It's pullback play. Good.
And then I got AUPH. If it goes to like 980,
10, right? That's
990.
got to go to 10 AUPH or
Yeah,
9.
I mean, I don't know if it's going to go there, but you never know. You
You
never
never
know.
know.
Like 980, yeah, $10. If you want to buy SEAC at $4, that's not a bad play. SEAC at
CC,
$4.
right? Yeah, I'm looking at CC. Yeah,
At
that's
$4, 405, 406 around there. Um, I like this ACAD. You know, ACAD at. Let me just see something. It just sold off heavy a little bit just now. Let me just get back to the chart that I use
Oh
here.
yeah. You know what? This market's about to open.
Yeah.
So, let me get ready here. Um
ACAD. Just go to $47 bid on ACAD.
Yep, there goes that. Frickin' knew it. Trade, CC. Count is this?
VRNT went from 54.55 to 55.50. Not buying the stock.
AUPH hit $10? No, it didn't. Did it?
AUPH around $9.90, $10. Not bad.
BNGO is moving. CC just skyrocketed. Now it's coming
If
down.
ACAD, if ACAD could get to that bid price,
Which one? Which one?
ACAD.
What bid price? 50, 40, 51, 50, 50, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay, we're getting to that like $4 level with CC. Roku is tanking. I kind of love it. You know what? I'm screwing up here. Um,
Okay, I'm getting an ACAD right here. It's not going to hit the $50 range. I think the stock is going to go to like, there it goes, 51.50. Hold on one second. Let's see if it breaks here.
crap. What's that? 4, 5, 51, 50. Okay. I do like that pullback there on ACAD. You don't think it's going to hit the 50-50 though?
I don't think so.
Shit.
I'm taking some over here, 51.30, 51.40. I took some. It goes back to 52. I'm loading the boat on it. You got to play with the prices because there's two entries on the stock. And here we go, 50-50. You should have got filled. Okay, I got
Okay.
51.30. I got 50-60.
What do you think the target on this is? This ACAD?
Oh, the target on that one, if the thing turns around, this thing could go to $60 in days. 55 would be my first on the day. You could take some stock here, 50.79, 51. It's okay to take some stock here. Remember, the stock is 53,
Now,
51.60.
yeah, now
You
it's
can take
starting
some
to pop
stock.
up here.
I'm loading now. I just bought more, 51.26, 51.40. I bought more. I have a pretty big position in it.
Yeah, that looks good
Okay,
right there.
great job. Yeah, I got a couple of guys in my other chat room here that paid me. Uh, so he's in it also. This goes to at least $55 today on the exit. 54.50, 55. We're still watching that BRNT guy sell off.
EPTH. There you go. There goes ACAD. I think CC is getting ready to take off here. Roku's taking off. I already took a position in Roku.
What do you got, SCAC?
I got CC,
I think the
Roku,
DLTH is going to take off too. The DLTH, but
B,
I'm not touching it.
D,
DLTH is taking off.
LTH. Oh, DLTH. Yeah, I'm watching that right now. It's taking off.
I'm leaving it alone. I'm not in that one. I'm in VRNT. I'm waiting for VRNT to sell off, and I'm fully focused on this ACAD. I own a ton of it.
Yeah, I'm waiting for. Wow, Roku is really moving here. HQY is not doing. What is it at? A.
Let me look at the chart of this VRNT, and this is a little tricky here. The VRNT touched $51 now.
No.
53. It's weird.
So you got a couple guys that paid you for a chat room? For a chat room, you said?
Oh yeah, yeah. I'm running a little chat with a couple of guys. Just waiting on this. Waiting on this VRNT at 51.50, 50.50.
Look at Roku go. Roku's killing it right now. I went in Roku. I loved that pullback this morning. And I bought out. Bought a few days out. I didn't buy, tomorrow's. So that comes in helpful. I don't know if
Now,
this.
if this ACAD crosses 52.20, I'm buying more because I know that this stock's going to 55. I'm buying on the way
Wow.
up.
What'd you think of? I know you're pretty fixed focused on whatchamacallit, ACID. There's so many good ones right now. So many good ones. The LTH is good. CC could be good if it would just pass the VWAP. It failed. It
DLTH to me was very confusing.
Why?
I'm looking at the chart right now. Let me see.
BNGO was one I wanted to get in. It had a huge, huge range.
Like I said, if this ACAD crosses 52.30, I'm buying more. I know it's going to 55.
All right. Let's see what happens with
As
CC.
SEAC, I didn't buy it because it always disappoints me. Never has a move.
What happened?
And
It doesn't have a what? Say that again, because I'm in it.
SEAC never has like a big move like that catches my eye on it.
It's up on earnings from 380 to, yeah, and it's overextended though. That's the only problem. If you look at it on all the charts, it's overextended. I can't find the next target. Like if you asked me where the target is, I can't find it. CC. It's at the top of the R2 right now. The R2 is 428. So it needs to pass 428. It's at 425. Once it passes 428, which is right here where it's been hitting its resistance, it should take off. BNGO, that was my second, that was my favorite pick actually. It was BNGO. But I didn't take it. Uh Roku, I'm still in. Frickin' CC. Come on, CC.
Yeah.
It's not going to break 428. It's not going to do anything. It's got to break 428 here.
Then I give you guys TLTFF for breakout.
Yeah.
I saw a breakout on this suit.
TLTFF. Why it broke out?
Not yet.
Wow. Look at CLVS is dumping. That would have been a great short or put play. Uh, TLTFF. Yeah. This is going to break out eventually. It's a slow mover. If you're impatient, don't buy it. Looks like this
Just for,
AUPH
I just
pip.
bought some more ACAD at 51.80. I bought some more.
Yeah, it's taking
Here's
off right
ACAD
now.
at 50. Yeah. Now, if you guys are up $2, $3 on the stock, once again, don't go by me in the range. Take your $2, $3. 500 shares, 1,000. 1,000 shares is 2,000, and yada yada yada. If you want to stay in the range, the stock will go up tomorrow, as we saw in the past. It continues going up, and if you have enough money available to hold overnight, then do that. You know, I personally think the stock could go to $55, $56 is ACAD. And I'm taking like 54.50, 54 and change because I own a lot of it.
What do you
And
think
I'm
it
up
could
a
go
dollar.
to? $56?
Yeah, we're already up almost $3 on this ACAD. So whoever wants to take the $3, you should be up about $3. You got all the time in the world to be up $3 on the stock.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Still waiting for the VRNT, guys. Never left it.
Still waiting
Uh,
for what? You know what? I'm tossing this CC.
AUPH is just floating. I'm not touching that. VRNT still waiting, guys. We're getting close.
Oh my god, I sold just right. Like my instincts.
VRNT 51.50, 51.25, 50.50. Anything between there, I'm a buyer. Uh,
ACAD.
Absolutely.
Bad
They
entry
can
now.
actually, they can also hit 49.80, the VRNT. I'm a buyer at all those different levels because I don't know where it's going to go. But the first buy price is 51.50. The second buy price is 50.50. The third buy price is 49.80, 49.90. This KOD just had a major sell-off.
What did?
KOD, Kodiak Science.
Oh, KOD.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
think 57, $58 a good entry on that one. Oh, my back. Oof. VRNC still holding there. It's weird. I'm not buying anything that doesn't move.
This BNGO looks interesting.
I want this ACAD to go to at least 55. I don't know if this is going to have the strength to do that today, but it could just rip out of the channel. Like I said, I already have my sold price at like 54.50 because if it makes a parabolic move to the upside, I'm in there to sell it. Sometimes that happens. We got to break 53.10. ACAD guys, we're gonna
There it
go.
goes. ACAD, boom.
You guys should be up $3 on the stock at least.
No. There goes BNGO. Very slowly though, but I think it is gonna have a good
This
day.
VRNT tricked us. Never hit the channel. Now it's $54. I'm not playing the stock. I'm not playing a breakout of the stock that's supposed to go down. I'm hands off. I can't chase something like that.
Good call, ACAD. Great
Yeah,
play.
that was it.
Great play. I think that's the only one I put in on the text alert. So
That's the only one I'm in. I'm not gonna chase anything here because I was in three positions this week, and all of them gave me at least $2 to $3. HQY,
HQY, I'm still holding, but I have no choice at this point. HQY, that's one of the benefits of options. I picked up some options on it. I should pick up some options now at 61.20. Uh, but rather not. I was able to get like, I don't know, I forgot what I paid, but it was cheap. So even though it went the other way, that's the most you can lose. It's like 120 or something I paid for those options. It's,
somebody in the group was already up like almost $4,000. They texted me on ACAD.
hmm.
Uh,
Yeah, for sure. Wow, everything's just pulling back now. DLTH,
Yeah.
Geo. AUPH has got a beautiful formation. This is about to take off here. AUPH didn't go down to 10. It just kind of went down to 15.
If
Uh,
SCWX gets to 1210 to 1220, I'm a buyer in that stock.
which one?
SCWX, SCWX,
Oh yeah. If it gets to what? What price?
1210, 1220. We hit above 1220 already, right?
It tapped it. Yeah.
Yeah. Kind of missed that trade. Still ACAD, just waiting. The market has not been where, remember like several weeks ago, you moved those days, like stocks just flew out of the gate.
No. I sold out of CC, Jason. I took like a 10-cent loss, 15-cent loss. I seen it was just it's downtrending right now. I wonder if ACAD, if this is a good re-entry right here.
ACAD, like I gotta go higher. I'm not buying more than it, that's for sure. Let me look at this AUPH shit.
Yeah, AUPH is about to take off. Cup and handle formation. That's unbelievable.
Hello?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I got people calling me and asking me how am I doing my back.
Okay.
And I told them, good, good. If you walk around, it's better. If you stay stable, it hurts. Like, like walking is the best thing you could do.
Definitely. Definitely, definitely. Let me lower my volume. I want to be able to make your volume more clear. I think I'm gonna call you from a different application from now on. So I lowered my voice so to make your voice a little louder.
Did anybody get into ACAD? Did you get anybody
Yeah, a
feedback
lot of
on it?
them. Who got into ACAD? And how did you do?
Are these people still in it? I'm still in it. Don't look
Lot.
at me because I'm different.
He's still in it. Don't look at him because he's different. Um. Yeah. You know. What it is he's okay waiting
Hold on.
5 days to hit its target, but it's best to take money in the hand. He doesn't mind taking the loss, you know, if it doesn't go, to his target. I don't know. You can explain it better than me. I don't know why I'm explaining it, but it's better off you take your profit. If you're up $3, don't get greedy. You know what I'm saying? If he's telling you that, listen, there's a reason. It's hit a range. It's hit a point. It's, whatever. You there, Tone? Tone. I didn't hear the breakup valve. If you want to get in Roku, now's a good time. Really, when it was down here, it was better. Right here's good. Yeah. You want to get in Roku right now. STC. Sean, why? What about STC? Yeah. What about STC? Yeah. I would get in right here. Add. Breaks 150, then I'd be really nervous, but it's still got that support at 149. It broke 150 yesterday and still hung around 149. That's where you would want to get in. But if it starts tanking, then that's a different freaking story. I'm confused here. Um, yeah. Why is that? So we want to go here. Tone, where are you? It says he's still on the phone. He's probably been talking for 20 minutes and not realize. I wonder if I can call him some other way. Call someone online. Oh, go to meeting we should use because it gives you that thing to call people. Well, Webinato used to have that too. Oh, yeah, I just wish he was a little louder on the phone, that's all. So, Tony's got his own chat room. If that's something you're interested in getting in, contact me and I will plug you in. Hold on, here he is here. Yo, your doctor called? No, but I'm gonna call you right now. You'll be live again. I'm back. I'm back. All right. Um. All right. I got some things I gotta do. I gotta end for the day.